The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government at 12:07.
The following is a law enforcement warning transmitted by the New York Police Department. A large amount of rioting has begun in Times Square. The cause and source of this rioting is unknown at this time. Stay indoors.
The Northwest Avalanche Center has issued an avalanche warning. Timing in effect until...
We are sorry to interrupt your program on this channel. Please tune to channel 12 for emergency message.